Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the brain stroke detection on CT scan and MRI images. So let's open the documentation. Now brain imaging AI overview. This project delivers an end-to-end system for AI assisted brain imaging. A PyTorch training pipeline that builds two classifiers, CT and MRI. A Flask web application that collects patient details, run interface and generate a structured medical style report. A browser-based voice assistant layer that read instructions, predictions, and report. The CT model, binary classification, normal or stroke. MRI model, four classes: glioma tumor, meningioma tumor, no tumor, and pituitary tumor. And the architecture, EfficientNet B0 feature, 1 into 1 reduction by LSTM into 2, temporal attention and classifier. So this will be the project structure, you can see, and this will be the training pipeline. Interference and utilities, Flask web interface, structure report generation, front end UI and styling, voice assistant web speech API, deployment and operations. Okay, so these are the complete document. Let's check out one by one project folder. First, open the brain dataset. This will be the CT scan images, and this will be the MRI images. Let's open the CT scan images. In the training folder, there will be two folders, normal and stock. Let's open the normal one. So these are all the images of a normal. Okay, there are 1350 images in that folder, and these all are normal stock. Now let's go back. The other one will the stock images. You can see there will be 844 items in that folder. Let's go back. Now check the MRI one, go to training folder. Then there will be a four sub folder. Let's check out one by one. So in that folder there are 826 images. Now the second folder will be 822 images. The third folder, the no tumor, will be 395 images, and pituitary tumor will be 827 images. Okay, so we have trained the model on that particular images of dataset. Let's go back. Now this will be the model folder, and MRI CT testing and training folder. Let's open it. CT scan using YOLO. Let's open the folder. Now here are confusion metrics for the CT scan brain using YOLO. Normal and stroke. Check another image. This will be the training loss and validation loss, matrices accuracy, and matrices accuracy top 5. These are the training batch images, the validation batch images. Okay, let's go back. Now for the MRI brain using YOLO, let's open the folder. In that you can see there will be a confusion matrix. Confusion matrix normalized for the glioma, meningioma, no tumor, and pituitary. Training loss, validation loss, matrices, accuracy top 1 and accuracy top 5. These are the training batch images and validation batch images. Now let's go back. These are the static images for the background. Okay, these are the templates folder. Let's open the requirement file where you can see there will be a library with their versions like Flask, Jinja 2, Torch, Torch Vision, Pillow, NumPy, and Report Lab. Okay, let's close it. Now let's run the project. Now click on the open in terminal and write Python space app.py. Then enter. So it will generate one URL. We have to just click on that particular URL with control. It will open the web page. So I have just checked out that particular audio button,
Audio assistance
and now
enabled.
click on the proceed.
I
Like
will guide
welcome.
you and read out
This AI
predictions and
assisted
reports.
system help generate structure report for the brain CT and MRI images. Please note this is for research, educational only, not a medical device. Okay. So let's click on the proceed button.
Welcome to Brain Imaging AI.
We have to enter the
Start
details.
by filling patient
Like
details
I'm
and
just entering
selecting
the name,
CT or MRI,
the key,
then upload a single image
subjects,
for prediction. You can toggle audio in the top right.
age 25, male, ID 100, contact number, brain city, clinical history, headache, key symptoms. Let's say type anything and click on save and continue to upload.
Patient details
Now
saved.
upload
Now upload
brain
a
CT
single
scan
CT
image.
image, then
Okay, so
press
we have to choose
predict.
that particular file. The patient details saved. Please upload the image for predictions. Now just click on the choose file button. Go to desktop and go to dataset. Now just click on that particular image and then click on predict button.
Prediction ready.
It will show the CT
CT
scan as
result,
normal,
normal with confidence
91.84.
91.8%. Audio assistance enabled. I will guide you and read out predictions and reports.
91.84, probability breakdown, normal and stroke. These are the structure report. Like it will give the patient information, examination, and the prediction label, findings, and impression. You can also download the report. Like I have downloaded the report, so it will show in that notepad file. Let's close it. Now just go for the MRI, brain MRI. Save and
Patient
continue.
details saved.
Let's click on the
Now upload
choose
a
button.
single MRI image, then press predict.
Select the MRI images, brain MRI. Selecting the pituitary tumor, predict.
Prediction ready.
It will show the
MRI result.
predictions like pituitary tumor,
Pituitary_tumor with
88.76%
confidence
accuracy.
88.8%.
Okay. It will show the patient details, the structure report, and you can download the report or just click on the new exam.
Welcome to Brain
So
Imaging
you
AI.
have to again
Start by filling
enter
patient
details.
details and selecting
So you have to
CT
again
or
enter the details of
MRI,
patient.
then upload a single
Okay,
image
like
for
that. And this is
prediction.
the complete project.
You can toggle audio
This
in the
project
top
developed using
right.
Python language, and the Flask framework is used to develop the graphical user interface. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.